Guys, in this video I am sharing you instant dinner or lunch recipe with no maida, no rice, even no need. So without any wasting time, let's get to the recipe. To make this, first we need half Lauki, also known as bottle gourd. Lauki is low in calories and high in water content, making it perfect for a light and healthy meal. Grate it with the help of a grater and you have it. In a bowl, I am transferring this Lauki. This Lauki is loaded with water and many other great properties. It's time to add green chili, chopped green chili half or one according to your taste. And once the chili is chopped, it's time to add half onion chopped. Onion is also rich in iron. Do add it. It's time to add half inch of ginger. Next I'm adding fresh coriander leaves. It's time to add quarter cup of besan. Besan is also known as chickpea flour. Add quarter cup of wheat flour. It's entirely optional but to give it a nice shape, so do add it. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper, also known as kali mirch ka powder. Add ajwain, which also known as carom seeds. Slightly crush it with the help of your palms, and it's time to add some spices to it for an extra flavor and healthy nutrients. Add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, also known as bhunakuta jeera. This jeera will help in your digestion, so do add it. Add half teaspoon of haldi, also known as turmeric powder. Add some water. Make sure that you don't add too much of water. And I'm also, cleaning the cups of besan by adding the water into them. So don't waste anything. Slightly mixed all the ingredients and you have a smooth batter. Lastly, add rock salt and it's time to heat a pan. Drizzle stone pressed or wood pressed any locally oil. I am using mustard oil. However, you can use any other oil like groundnut oil, sesame oil, or any other oil. Pour a ladleful of batter and with the help of your spoon, slightly give all it a shape of round and press it so that it become thin and cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes and you have it. Flip it over once it turns golden brown from one side and it's time to repeat this process with the remaining batter. Pour a ladleful of batter, press it with the help of your spoon, give a round shape and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and flip it over once it turn in golden brown in color. Serve it hot. It's a wholesome meal that's packed with nutrients and flavor, and it's also perfect to carry on your tiffin box or lunch box. Do try it with homemade green chutney and salt. The links will be in description or in I button. And please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, you can also do subscribe to it and let me know in the comments that how it turns out. Guys, do try it out, and for more such health content you can also share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.